Hello dear, this is Patrick from Guangzhou SIPUXIN Machinery. So today I would like to introduce the perfume storage tanks for you. So behind me is the perfume storage tank. Okay, camera follows me to let you see the machine running and testing. And before I testing the machines, I would like to make a brief introduction of the perfume tanks for you. So first, you see the tanks here. You can lock it. So this is the manhole seal perfume storage tank. And here is the air breather. Because the tank now is in the vacuum situations, so if you want, when the machine is working, if you want to open the tanks, it's really difficult because the pressure inside is larger than the outside. So first of all, you need to open this air breather first to let the air go into the tanks to make the pressure inside the tanks and the outside consistencies. So here is the first one, the air breather. And the second one is the SIP cleaning system. Here we design inlet here. You connect tap water. And then here inside is the SIP balls. You connect with the tap water. The SIP cleaning balls cleaning the tanks in the 300 degrees with no dead angles to watch your tanks. And number 3 is our manhole seal cover. After you open the air breather, then you can open the cover. So now let's see inside. Inside we got a missing pedal here, and this missing pedal is controlled by the pneumatic valve. So this machine is driven by the air without electricity, so it's really safe for the perfume. Especially, the perfume contains lots of the alcohol, and the alcohol is really sensitive with the electricity, because the electricity means the alcohol it will encounter the sparks, so it's a little bit dangerous. So this machine is driven by the air, so really safe and anti-explorations. And here is the pneumatic valve. You can, after this one, you need to connect with the air, right? After the machine's connected with the air, here you can adjust the speed to control the missing speed, which I will display to you later. And here we got the inlet for you also. You can use this inlet connected with a soft pipe to connect it with your raw material, connect it with your fragrance, your essential oil, your alcohol, etc. And then suck and transfer into the tanks. And then follow me here. Let's see so here is the button discharge. Open the valve and the perfume will discharge from here. You can and here we special design a liquid level detector here. So without opening the cover, you can see how many liters, how many volume, how many capacities perfume inside the tanks through these liquid level meters. So camera come closer to feel more details. You can observe the situation. You can observe the capacity of the tank. For example, now here you see here has a red balls. It means the tanks, the liquid is on this level. You don't need to open the cover. Here has the red balls. Okay, so now let me operate it, how to use these machines. This is a really easy machines. Number one, you place your raw materials. For example, like the alcohol, the fragrance oil, the essential oil, etc. Whatever, the raw materials placed here, connected with a salt pipe connected here, and then suck and transfer your material into the tank. And after, you need to lock the cover, right? And then you open this pneumatic valve to mixing the perfume. Now let me operate it for you. You turn to the front side, and the mixing pedal will follow your instruction. You see, now I already open it. You see, camera see inside. Now it's in a really slow speed, right? But you can adjust the speed to the front side. You see. Now it's faster, right? Faster and faster. And the pneumatic is driven by the air to generate the power to mix the mixing pedal. You see, now it's really fast, right? When you don't need to use it, just close it. Okay, now the mixing pedal is closed. So this is a really easy and simple machines. And the tank of the material of this perfume storage tank is the stainless steel, and all the parts contact with the materials is the stainless steel 316L, and the other parts also stainless steel, and it's stainless steel 304. And you see our legs are really thick, right? It's really solid. With the wheels, you can lock it or open it. If you lock it, then the tank cannot move. If you open it, then you can. Okay, I use my leg. Okay, and then you can move it, right? Okay, so here is the running and testing of the perfume storage tank. If you are interested, please send more inquiry to us. Okay.